It's John with Daddy Presents, presenting Cadillac parts and Buick, Oldsmobile, and Pontiac parts. We just got done listing a few items. We're about ready to put them on the shelf. I've never seen, at least for a Cadillac, I've never seen a rear end kit complete. Can't even buy them. But for Buick, we've got one for a 1964 we just listed. Door edge guards, these are really cool. Reproduction mirrors we just listed. And we've got some ball joints, new old stock, new old replacement stock. I'm going to go over here with you and show you what we're working on as far as all the new old stock and new old replacement stock for Buick, Oldsmobile, and Pontiac. So follow me. So what I've done is I put everything away numerically, and everything that has a number on it is in stock. Just don't have all the pictures on them because we just figured out how to get all the pictures right on the front of the box. So we're working our way all the way down with the Buick, Oldsmobile, and Pontiac, and we're going up because we keep on finding tons of parts in our own inventory and coming back around this way. And so that's it. I want to take you now on the other side of the warehouse and show you what we're working on. We have tons of used parts. And the gentleman I got them from did a lot of 1953 Buick Skylarks. Follow me. Here we go. On a side note, this car is going to be cleaned. It's a great car. It's going to be on Bring Your Trailer. I've got, in my cost, probably cost 10 grand. It's a 1990 Elante. We'll do a video in a couple weeks and post it. I love this car. I don't want to get rid of this car, but I need the space for more shelves, and I have the 64 Eldorado, the 59 Eldorado. Who knows what else I'll get. But check it out. Here is all Buick parts, all in this area. I'm starting to squeeze into here. I've got my Pontiac and Oldsmobile parts going down here. So I just wanted to share a little bit with you with what I've been doing in the organization. But we have boxes and boxes of these new old replacement stock parts. Come down the aisle here and see all the boxes. I can't even walk that there's so much. And there is a lot of Buick, Pontiac, and Oldsmobile parts that we'll be pulling out. So thanks for stopping by. It's John at Caddy Daddy Presents. Look forward to all your questions and answers.